Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge. I got a knife unboxing. It was actually I already unboxed it. You can see it's a Crescent. It's a Crescent D2 3.5-inch knife. It was actually on Amazon. Uh, Unfortunately, I bought it for $15 and taking pictures of me over there. But it's already went up to 24. Oh, only one in stock left. Uh, so it's geared toward trades, I guess. But I got it was $15 a couple days ago. They must have shot it up. They must raise the price a little bit. But I was hoping to get on a little sooner, but I didn't. So it looks like there's 8 of them in stock. I think a couple days ago I bought it. Now there's just one. But it's the aluminum handled one with D2. Well, there's uh, 4 different types. Well, I take that back. It is still in. My bad. I actually the one that's $24.99 or $24.77 is the drop point. I actually bought the harpoon style one, so it's still $13.99. Ooh, what did I pay? I don't know, but that's the one I bought right here. So it did not go up, and there are. My bad. I thought and there are only 3 in stock. So there you go. Hopefully, I get this video on here so you guys can get to it. It's definitely worth the. I don't think it was worth the $31 that they want for it, but definitely worth the $13.99. Let me go over it real quick and tell you some bad things about it and good things. Pop back to here. So here's the knife itself. It came pretty sharp. I stropped it, but it's a harpoon style uh, blade. I guess it has that little sweep up there. So pop this out of the way. So let's see if that sit this down here. So lay that down. I'll do size comparison stuff, but it's a Crescent. They it says the box is right here. So I'll just read the box real quick. The box is I'll leave the knife here so you can look at it. The box says it's a 3.5-inch pocket knife blade, has a harpoon design blade, heavy D2 smooth action bearings, which it does have bearings, high strength aluminum handles, which is part of the problem. They're slippery. So if you're really using it for a trade, you would I'd put some grip tape or something on the thing, but just for looks, it looks good. And it has a deep pocket clip, so that's kind of what the box says. Let's do a close look at it. So do a deep dive. All right, so it's a harpoon shape, but it also has a hollow grind. So I like hollow grinds. So when it's got a lot of reflection, these lights are reflecting on my. It has like a almost like a metallic satin silver paint on it. Deep pocket clip with the Crescent emblem on it. It's called the CPK 350A. So I'm guessing the 350 is standing for uh, what the size of the blade is. So it's a Crescent emblem on there, the logo with their little C and a T. I actually scratched it getting the box open, trying to not damage the blister pack, but I ended up damaging the knife. I scraped it a little bit, so you can see little scratches. So that's what it'll probably happen when it will scratch probably when you're using it, but it's so slippery. This is a very slippery surface. See here, look down. It has standoffs, just red colored. It might be plastic. I can't tell. Let me take a look at it. I think they are like a plastic standoff. Has a nice spot to put your thumb, bring it forward, lock up. You can see down there. I'll flip it on the other side so you can see a little better. It's pretty nice lockup. Let's see. So it's in there. It's solid lockup.
Has like a little cutout for your thumb. You can almost drop shut. I threw a little bit of oil on there, but you can drop shut it. I don't know if you can see my scratches I put on it, but it flicks out real nice. It's not, like I said, not quite drop shut, but there's your harpoon shape. Uh, I did not adjust the pivot. I don't know if I adjust the pivot, it might drop shut. I just left it with what the factory. Uh, shit. I actually uh, did strop it. It had a real nice, uh, a pretty good uh, edge on it. You can see it shaves my hair for right out of box. Sharp as any like Kershaw or anything. I've right out of the box, so it's shaving sharp. I'm not sure. I think it was shaving sharp, but when I put the strop to it, it really, you know, did a good job. Oh, let's see, D2. I don't like. I don't know. It says it's D2, but I don't know if it's really D2 because I don't know until I sharpen it. But I'm not going to sharpen it because it don't really need sharpened right now. Okay, we'll put the weight down. I thought it showed me the weight, but I got the scale. I'll put the weight. So it's I think on the heavy side of a knife. Let's see, 5.75 ounces. So it's a little on the heavy side compared to other knives. Like here, let's see what would be. Well, it's a light duty knife, but or not light duty. It's a anyway. Oh, did I have the? I don't think I slid this on so you could see it. There we go. All right, let's take a look at some other knives that I'm got to compare it to. All right, let's get the scale out of the way. It was 5.75. Pop this open. Let's compare it with some, I guess, common ones. Here's a Kershaw Cryo 2. So it's very comparable to that. And let's try the M16, the CRKT M16 3KS. And then here's another CRKT, but it's going to be a little bigger. So there we go. And then, so you see it's not quite as big as this. I think it's a decent size. The only bad thing, if you're going to use it for a beater blade or work with it, I would definitely put some grip tape on there because this is really slippery. But I mean, when you bring it up like this, it's you can feel it's going to trap in your hand. And this is not a finger choil. This is a sharpening choil. So I wouldn't trust putting your finger up on there like that and doing any hard work. Let me show one more knife with it. And here's a Gerber. I can't remember. There's a Gerber. A few in a knives. Actually, pretty decent comparable to those. And a Spyderco Mannix. So let's flip it. The Spyderco Mannix. Put this one up on top. Get this up out of the way. Let's see. We'll do a flip around. So 3.5-inch blade. Let's show you how long it. Let's see. Don't really say the overall length, but I got here, so we could do the overall length. So what we got here? It is got on the tip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 8 inches overall, and it's a nice blade for 15 or 13 bucks. Definitely get it. Can't beat that for 13 bucks. And it comes out. I might mess with the pivot to see if I can't get it to drop shut, but it shake shut. With 15 bucks for Oh, it even says technically it has a lifetime warranty, but I don't know how you would receive that. I don't know how you, if it would need designed. See, it's designed and engineered and tested in the USA. Like I said, I shaved my little bit on my arm with it. I'm trying to look for some. What do we got here? I don't know what this is. We can't. I'm looking for a slice of paper I could use. We're gonna. Oh man, what do we got here? Some cardboard. All right, where are we at? I'm sure to cut through that pretty nice. Yeah, it's like yeah, it came. Like I said, it came pretty sharp. All right, let's take a look at that. Oh, my camera froze up. Oh, my battery went dead. Okay. Oh well, I wasted too much time. So are going to. No, we're just gonna shut that picture off right now. Video capture. So we're gonna pull that out of the way, and so you just don't see me right now. But anyways, we'll pop over here real quick to scene two and take a look at it. Okay, so it's 56% off, $13.99 on Prime. It says 1 day delivery, 3 in stock. All right. Well, let's see this one. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you like videos like knife sharpening and knife unboxings and so on, I do a bunch of different things. Like, share, subscribe to Angelo's Edge. See ya. Bye.